Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see how to use MynaUI in your React app. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have used any other Shadcn based libraries, you will know. So for example, if you want this 404 component, you can just go in, select something that you like, and this is fully responsive and it has dark mode also. So you can just see if you like this, you can just go into the code, copy paste this code into your app, and that's it. I also have some items that you need to install if you want. So if you want the button, you can just install it from Shadcn. And for example, let's go for some alert dialogues. So if you want something like this, you can come in here, you can click on code, you can copy paste this whole thing into your app. And I also have added all things that you need to install in your app before doing this. So yeah, it will be mostly straightforward from here. And we also have the getting started section. So if you have any doubts, if you have any if you need a starting point, you can just come in here and it just tells you what you need to install: Tailwind, Shadcn UI, the font, the icon library, and if you want to, you can add this as a default class in your HTML tag also. So yeah, that's it mostly. Let me know if you still have any questions in the comments below. It's mostly like Shadcn UI library. You can just go and copy whatever component that you want and paste it in your app, and it will just work. That's all. So yeah, let me know if you have questions, and check out MynaUI.com. Let me know if you want to add more components. You can just click in here and request components or request new icons in MynaUI icons. So yeah, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.